Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my TinkerCad Masterclass series. In this episode, I'll show you guys how to use the Workplane tool in TinkerCad. Okay, so let's just say you want to place some text on the side of this house. Now, the way that I first would approach this is by taking this, scaling this down, and then I'd go all the way up here, pull this up, pull this to the side, rotate it, and be like, you know what, yeah, that works. That should work pretty well. And it does work if you're maybe just doing one or two. But TinkerCad has a really easy way of doing this. Now up here, you might have noticed that there's this tool called the Workplane. Now, I didn't really understand a whole lot about what it did until somewhat recently. What you do is you can pull it in and put it on any face. If I place it right there, now if I want to pull in text, I can just scale it down and it essentially moves the Workplane so that it's at an angle with this object. Now then, changing the height of it is really easy, but if the Workplane was back at the bottom, to change the thickness, you would probably go to this one tab and it would just scale it upwards, now which isn't what you want. So by then selecting on this one, I can make it as thick as I want, and I can scale it along its kind of object axes. Now as I showed earlier, to just reset it, pull it in there, just pull it back to the normal plane and it's going to come out blue. So the orange Workplane is the one that you place yourself, and the blue one is the one that's the normal one. Now the cool thing is this Workplane tool works on basically any object that has a size, or that has faces. I can place it on all sorts of parts of the sphere. See, then maybe not the sphere is the best example, but then I'm pulling like a rounded roof, and it's tangential to the rest of the sphere. Now, something I haven't tested is that will it work on the side of scribbles? So then, say done, and yes, it does work on the side of scribbles. So you can use these, then make other objects. So while this Workplane tool might seem like you might not use it that much, we will actually be using it in some future tutorials. So I would recommend kind of just messing around with the Workplane tool a little bit and getting used to it. Okay everyone, thank you all for watching this video. Remember, if you like this video, please like and share it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. Tell me why in the comments down below. And remember, subscribe for more videos. If you really want to support me, just go to my Patreon and donate there. And as always, keep on designing.